What's going on? It's your boy Kartoon here with Kartoon Review. We'll review anything that a consumer can buy. Today we're going to be discussing OPPOs and their feature that you could talk and text without wireless service or Wi-Fi. Crazy. Stay tuned. So OPPO's just announced that they have this new app called Match Talk that you could text, talk without Wi-Fi and any wireless connection. Cellular service. It's crazy. It's a couple caveats there. You can't be no more than 3 kilometers, which equals to, according to the map. I got this article from bgr.com. I'm gonna leave a link down below if y'all want to read it. It can't be any further than 1.8 miles, which I find it innovative. This is genius. If you could get with somebody, let's say there's certain areas that you have bad service and you can't hear or you can't send nothing because your cellular service is not there or you don't have no Wi-Fi. This is pretty dope if it does the job. It's crazy, and I salute them for thinking outside the box. I don't know how this is gonna work. I guess it's like mesh network. So it's like when you have a wireless and you have the mesh and you have it connected 3 different ways. You get connections, so it connects different areas. It just plug in. I find it dope. It would be even crazier is if each phone is connected. Let's say you have somebody that, let's say you have your son, he's 1 mile away, but then you have your fiance, your girlfriend, your wife, whatever, she's 3 miles away, but between your son and her, it will be less than a mile and a half. So you could still connect to her because she's still in that zone. I find that's pretty dope. And one thing that I give credit to the Chinese company, they think out of the box and they look in the future, which is pretty dope. Most of the top tech that you see out is because of them. So you gotta give credit where credit is due. I hope this works out. This will mean that you could have a good cell phone without worrying about having the option not to have cellular service. So without having, let's say in the US, Sprint, T-Mobile, Verizon, who else I'm missing? AT&T, which is pretty dope. And what that's gonna do is lower the prices down. So if you do want to have service and you see you really don't need it, and other customers see that they really don't need it because they don't talk to certain people from certain distance or whatever, which I find it pretty dope. So let's see if this comes true. The technology really works how they explaining it. We just gotta wait and see, man. If you like this video, make sure you hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed, subscribe. It's your boy Kartoon. Peace.